Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the condition of healthcare system in our country, about Hakim, how he fall from the train, and the government hospital was not able to do his treatment. Today we are going to discuss the next topic, public and private healthcare services. At first we will discuss public health services. Public health services, it is provided by the government. It is for all citizens of the country, and many facilities are there in rural area, in urban area. Government has provided health care services, about which we are going to discuss. Some lines about this is given here. Public health services. The public health services is a chain of health centers. Means many health centers are there, and in rural area, in urban area, many government doctors are there. They are caring the ill people. It is the chain of hospitals run by the government. They are linked together so that they cover both rural and urban areas, and can also provide treatment to all kind of problems, from common illness to special services. At village level, there are health centers where there is usually a nurse and a village health workers. They are trained in dealing with common illness and work under the supervision of doctors at the primary health centers. Many big hospitals are there which belong to the government. In every district, government hospitals are there where people get treatment freely. But when we compare the hospitals, government hospitals, with private hospitals, the cleanliness and the doctors, ability of nurse and their behavior, these all things are differ. When we go to the district hospital, too much mob is there, and the number of doctors remain less, and they take too much time, and we have to stand in long queue when we meet the doctors. And in many departments, the doctors do not available, and for certain period of time they remain there. Some problems are there, or many problems are there in public hospitals. And about the medicine which they provide, there is a lack of medicine also in government hospitals. That is why some problem is there, and our government is trying to provide good facility, good doctors and medicines, but then also some problems are there in government hospital, and when people become serious, they refer them into private hospitals, or that the doctor of government hospital, they say that you can carry your patient to the private hospital or somewhere else. According to our constitution, the guarantee of life comes in our constitution. It provides guarantee to our life. We people give revenue, give taxes to the government to take care for the welfare of the citizen of the country, and our government, they take care, they provides the facility of education, facility of health, facility of food by utilizing our revenue taxes for the welfare of the citizen of the country. Government do the work, and to create healthy person, it is the duty of the government. That is why they are providing good health services for the citizen of the country. Next topic which we are going to discuss, it is private health facilities. Private health facilities. What is the need of private health facility? Why we go to the private hospitals? It means when in government hospital we do not satisfied, or the services provided up by the government facility do not remain good, at that time the people, they go to the private hospitals where they have to pay more and more money to the doctors, and many private hospitals are there in rural area, in urban areas, and the main aim of the doctor is here to make more and more profit. They have their own clinic. The doctors, they have their own medicine shop, and also many diagnosis centers are there, private, and they are making more profit. They are taking more money from the citizen, from the people who are going there. But there is a much mob. Too much people are there in public hospitals. That's why people prefer to go in private hospitals, and they take medicine from the private medical shop, where the owner of the private medical shop, medicine shop, they take more money from the people, and their main aim is for making more and more profit. And in this way, the doctors, they are not in government job, they are practicing in their personal clinic, and they are making more profit. they are charging more money for seeing the patient. In this way, more and more problems are there, and the poor people cannot afford to go in private hospital. They always look for government hospital. They live in worse condition because in many government hospitals cleanliness is not there. The facility of nurses, the facility of ward boy, the facility of doctors, the doctor do not remain in the hospital always, and people have the limitation of time to go in the public hospital. That's why when any person becomes serious, they move to the private hospital for their treatment, and there they have to pay more and more money, more charges of the hospital.